If you've been waiting for your opportunity to invest in Boxabl, your chance is finally here. Boxabl can now sell shares to the general public through their Regulation A+ offering at 80 cents a share with the minimum investment of $1,000 per investor. Although this is a pre-IPO investment, it's also a chance to get in on the ground floor with discounted stock prices and possibly build generational wealth with a company that is all set to disrupt the housing construction market. For over 100 years, stick-built housing has been dominating the trillion-dollar building construction industry, despite its disadvantages, simply because there have been few alternatives. But Boxabl is changing that with its innovative approach to building houses like we mass-produce cars. With its goal to factory produce a house every 90 minutes, they can improve the quality of life for billions of people. To date, Boxabl has completed and shipped over 100 houses since October 2021. And with the government contract for 156 homes due to be completed by May 8, 2022, casitas should be available for commercial sale by mid-May. With each house produced, Boxabl is getting closer and closer to their standard production goal of 3,600 houses a year in their current factory. In addition, they are now raising funds through investors to build the world's largest and most advanced housing factory to make upscale housing affordable for everyone. They will be able to offer different layouts and room modules and building types to create not only single-family homes, but multi-family units like apartment and condo complexes as well. The rise in public interest in this company has been meteoric, resulting in 70,000 and counting potential customers, of which over 4,000 have already placed deposits, which amounts to a potential revenue of over $1 billion. Boxabl has also received interest from over 440 potential franchise partners from 25 countries. With over half of these potential franchisees willing to spend at least $5 million on factory startup, that means a successful franchise business model is a definite possibility, which would result in lower shipping costs for potential customers worldwide. Of course, there are risk factors associated with any pre-IPO investment, like the risk of low returns or the possibility of a company not going public. And these investments are basically considered illiquid, since any return depends on the ability to resell your stock, so you may not be able to liquidate your investment for some time. Boxabl, in particular, does eventually plan on going public, but have no timeline as to when that will occur. Some other risk factors for the company are based on whether the demand for affordable housing will continue, if Boxabl can effectively manage their growth, dependence on third-party builders for successful setup of the boxes, future reliance on franchise factories for module production, and the ability to raise sufficient funds to succeed. So far, Boxabl has a proven track record for raising funds, with their initial regulation crowdfunding offering oversubscribing and resulting in a huge waitlist for potential investors who have been anticipating this new opportunity. With their current government contract for homes near completion, Boxabl is refining their process more and more every day to achieve production of their boxes at scale and ensure the continued viability of the company. So do you think Boxabl is worth the risk? Let us know in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and have fun today.